Hello, welcome to our free YouTube channel, that is Commerce Factory, in which we are discuss about the definition which is given by the father of economics, modern father of economics, that is Adam Smith. Okay, we are discussing the definition of Adam Smith, in which particularly we are discussing the definition as well as its features, and we are also discuss the merits and demerits of this definition. Okay, let's discuss the definition. First of all, you know about Adam Smith. Adam Smith is called the father of economics. He's a modern father of economics because his contribution towards economics is lots of. So that is why he's called the father of economy. Okay, so what we learn in the definition. Let's see. An inquiry into the nature and cause of wealth. Okay, an inquiry into the nature and cause of wealth of the nation. Okay, in his particular definition he is focused on only wealth. In his particular definition he is only focused on wealth of the nation. Okay, wealth of the nation, because he is focused on wealth. He is the first economist who focus on the wealth only. Only wealth being, he is only focus on wealth being of the economy, because he say that if wealth is there, there is no employment, there is no poverty. Okay, so that is why he is only focus on the wealth. Okay, he is only focus on the wealth. Now we discuss the some features of this definition. We are discussing the some features of his definition. In the features, let's we discuss first. First of all, I will tell you he is a modern economics, and his book is very famous. Is a 9 March 1976. Adam Smith, The Wealth of the Nation. In his book, he has defined the definition of his definition. In particularly, this is our part of syllabus in the BCom first year. BCom first year's first semester is the part of our syllabus, in which he is discussing the definition of Adam Smith. Okay, Adam Smith. Let's see what he say. His focus on cause of wealth. Okay, his focus on cause of wealth. He's only focus on the cause of wealth. Now let's discuss the feature of his definition, and we will also discuss the some merits and demerits of this definition. First feature is that it's study of wealth. This definition, economics deals with the study of wealth only. This definition of economic is given by the Adam Smith is only study of wealth. Okay, therefore it's concerned with the activities of man related to consumption. Okay, production, consumption, exchange and distribution of wealth. Only discussing the production, consumption and distribution of wealth. Okay, so the next feature is that in this feature, study of wealth, and after that only materialistic commodity. He is only study of materialistic commodity. Materialistic commodity means those commodity which have production, which are actually we are actually touch feel. Okay, so this is called material commodities. In material commodity, production, consumption, distribution include, but he is not study of immaterial or non-material goods, that is air. Okay, air, water and sunshine. Air, water and sunshine. He is not discussing about this air, water and sunshine. He is only discussing about materials thing, and he is also not discussing about service sector. Some service sector he is not discussing about. Service sector is also a non-materialistic commodity. Suppose doctor is providing services. Okay, so this is also a one type of non-materialistics commodity. Okay, so he is not focusing on the non-materialistics of the commodity. Third one is trace on wealth. His definition is mostly traced on wealth, because study of wealth of accumulation which bring economic development. In order to increase wealth, production of material good have to be increased. So he's mainly focus on the trace of the wealth. Okay, he's only focus on trace of his total definition is based on only wealth is the concept which his definition is totally depend upon wealth. So that is why he is discussing about wealth. Then cause of wealth. what will the cause, what will be the cause of wealth? Okay. Economic is considered as a study of cause of wealth accumulation which bring economic development. In order to increase wealth, production of material goods have to be increased. Okay, this is the feature. Next feature is that economic man. This definition is basically based on the man who always aware of the self interest. Okay, his definition is totally depend upon the man who is totally depend upon the self interest. Okay, that leads to him material gain. Okay, that leads to gain his material gain. So these are the some features. Now we will discuss the some merits and demerits of this definition. Okay, these are the merits and demerits of this definition. These are the merits and demerits of his definition, in which particularly merits are traced on the important problem. Okay, he is only traced on the economically important problem that is related to production, consumption, distribution, and exchange, but not focus on the actual problem which is actually a people are facing. Okay, next is the problem of poverty, unemployment, etc. can be solved when the wealth is generated. This definition is said that all problems that is related to the poverty, unemployment, and this is solved only wealth is generated. If the country have wealth, then it will be solved his all problem. So that is his definition. Third one is focus on important issue like production, distribution, exchange, and wealth. We are also discuss these features. We are also discuss these merits in features also. So this is also a feature as well as merit of this definition. Okay, now there is some, the two coin have face, that is head and tail. So this is also have some negative impact also. In this negative impact there is demerits. This is too much focus on material wealth. Okay, this neglect social wealth. Okay, social welfare, this all things neglect, but this is only focus on materialistic wealth. This is not focus on non-materials, that is non-materialistic wealth. This is not focus on non-material, this is only focus on materialistic wealth. Okay, so that is why this definition is highly criticized. This is neglect the social welfare. This definition is totally neglect the social welfare of the people. This is only defining that the industrial development, and how to earn wealth. This definition is also not showing the way how to earn the wealth. And if the wealth is earned, there is neglection of social welfare. Okay, thank you very much. So this is the video in which particularly we are discussed the definition of Adam Smith. If you like, if you want to more definition, if you want to more topic, you can comment me into comment box. I will discuss in very detail and very significant manner. Thank you very much.